Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can give feedback to CapCut PC. Well, in CapCut PC, you can also do it in your phone, but this is the tutorial on how to do it on your PC. So go to menu if you're on a project, go back to homepage, select this comment section on the feedback, select this scenario where the problem occurs, single choice, so you can only select one. For instance, export failed. Describe the problem to CapCut. Just type it in. You can also try uploading a screen recording to help CapCut locate the problem, and you can upload the project as well. Once you're done, you're going to select your contact info and you're going to select submit. And when they respond, hopefully you'll be able to see it in messages. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!